Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here, another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to move your Windows applications to another drive on your computer. So if you'd rather move an installed application to another drive as opposed to reinstalling it, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and this should be a pretty straightforward process, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. Select the apps tile or app setting on the left side, and then open up apps and features over on the right. You're going to go ahead and select whatever app you want to move to another drive, and then you would select the move option if you had another drive that was accessible in order to have this application moved to. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Again, assuming that drive was compatible and it was allowed to be moved. If it's not, well, then you're kind of out of luck. It's not going to work this way. You'd have to use another utility. But this is just the built-in native way that you can do it within Windows 11 or Windows 10. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.